Hi, my name is Pat Urbanik, and today I'm going to try to describe the difference between the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. Compare and contrast the difference between the two and include their respective neurotransmitters and what receptors they activate. The parasympathetic nervous system controls homeostasis and the body at rest and is responsible for the body's rest and digest function. The sympathetic nervous system controls the body's response to a perceived threat and is responsible for the fight or flight response. The PNS, the parasympathetic nervous system, and the sympathetic nervous system are a part of the autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for involuntary functions of the human body. The parasympathetic nervous system is part of the autonomic nervous system. It originates in the spinal cord and the medulla and controls homeostasis, or the maintenance of the body system. The parasympathetic nervous system controls the rest and digest functions of the body. The sympathetic nervous system, also part of the autonomic nervous system, originates in the spinal cord, specifically in the thoracic and lumbar regions. It controls the body's fight or flight response and how the body reacts to perceived danger. These systems are totally opposite. While the parasympathetic system decreases heart rate, constricts the bronchial tubes in the lungs and the pupils in the eyes, it relaxes the muscles, it decreases the saliva production, the stomach removes and increases secretions for digestion, it increases the urinary output, and it relaxes the sphincter. The sympathetic system does the opposite, including release of adrenaline from the adrenal gland, conversion of glycogen to glucose to provide energy for muscles, and it shuts down the processes not critical for survival. I would say during this little conversation I am in the sympathetic part of it. The parasympathetic nervous system uses chiefly acetylcholine as its neurotransmitter, although peptides such as cholecystokin can be used. The ACH acts on two types of receptors, the muscarinic and nitrogen cholinergic receptors. Most transmissions occur in two stages. When stimulated, the preganglionic neuron releases ACH at the ganglion, which acts on nicotinic receptors of postganglionic neurons. The postganglionic neurons then release ACH to stimulate the muscarinic receptors of the target organ. Sympathetic nervous systems stimulation causes vasoconstriction of most blood vessels, including many of those in the skin, the digestive tract, and the kidneys. This occurs as a result of activation of alpha-1 adrenergic receptors by norepinephrine released by postganglionic sympathetic neurons. I hope I covered all of this in this conversation, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.